All right, guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and we had Brian check to see if our fuel cap that we now sell for the F3 will work, and worked great. And we've had a lot of inquiries about it. I'm actually surprised how many people want this. Once you get used to having this cap and not having to deal with a key, it's just much better. But anyway, I'm gonna have Brian show you what it took. This just shows you how to get the plastic off, and the install is basically exactly the same as the F3. So if you go to the F3 page, you're just going to want to do basically everything that you do here. So go ahead and show them what you had to do, Brian, and Brian will explain what's going on.
Yeah, so to get the tank cover panel off, pull your key out, and if you turn counterclockwise, quarter turn on the key cover, your ignition cover will just come right off. Then here at the back, kind of lift up and pull out.
Okay.
There's just a couple little tabs to hold that panel in place. Then to remove the cover, you got a pair of push pins. And one 8mm headed screw. And then that whole panel will just lift right off.
Awesome.
You'll have your connectors on the bottom side. Ours are undone right now because we just installed this.
Okay, that hooked to the switches.
Yeah, hooked to the blank switches on the bottom, and your heated grip switch.
Okay.
And then yeah, from there, install is almost identical to an F3.
So you still have to put that wrench in there. Show 'em how. So we got this wrench that we make for the kit, and it holds the back of the nut for the grounding strap. It's just the easier way to get to it. It's a little bit of work to fish it out, and then you can show them where the grounding, I guess.
So your ground strap.
Yeah, there's your ground strap.
Black and blue wire.
Yeah.
And it runs under this plate to the underside of the cap. And on your stock cap, the ground strap bolt is the one that's on the inside of the little flap.
Okay.
So you can kind of follow the wire and just kind of point it towards that ground strap bolt. And you got to fish around a little bit to find the nut. Then just start to spin the bolt. And if you listen careful enough, you can actually hear the nut fall off the end of the bolt, and it'll tink off the top of the tank. Don't worry about trying to find it. You don't need it again.
Right. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, there's a lot of people that have the F3s, and they had a lot of problems with that cap shutting properly. I got to say that this one actually shuts nice. I didn't have any issues with that. But I didn't like the fact that they made it silver. It's the only thing silver on the whole bike. So now if you want a black cap, you got a black cap. Oh yeah, the other thing is, if you look, let's see if you can look down here. I don't know if I can do it or not. Anyway, there's a when you fill it up, you're going to make sure that the nozzle is completely through the hole in the bottom. You don't want to, you want to go ahead and bury the nozzle. I have a video on that too, so that way you don't get any splashback or overflow. But that's important. You got to make sure the nozzle is into that second hole down there, and that'll go right into the tank. And yeah, it's good to go. So once again, Brian got it figured out here at the Lamonster Garage. He is the master tech. If you're uncomfortable about doing it on any of these mods, come by Lamonster Garage and we will hook you up. Brian will hook you up. He's the master tech here. So that's it. We're knocking out the projects. We're going to show you our new pipe here in a little bit that we also have for it. So a lot of exciting things. We got stuff being built right now too. So check out lamonstergarage.com. Just go to the Canyon drop down, and our Facebook page is Can-Am Canyon Lovers. And if you type that in the search engine, you'll find out where all the owners are going now to get asked questions, lots of pictures, lots of videos. So yeah, we're really digging this bike. We're real excited about it. So check it out, guys. Thanks.